Today we will discuss three essential tools commonly used in school and in workplace: Microsoft Word, MailMerge, and PowerPoint. These tools are part of Microsoft Office, a set of applications designed to help users create documents, automate tasks, and present information effectively. Microsoft Word is a processing software used to create, edit, format, and print documents such as essays, reports, and letters.
Text formatting, it controls how the text looks in a document. It includes the changing the font style, size, and color, as well as applying bold, italic, and underline. I-explain ko din kung ano nga ba talaga yung purpose nila. First, we have the font style. In font style, you can choose the design of your text such as Calibri, Arial, or Times New Roman. The next is the font size. In font size, it controls how big or small the text will appear. We also have the grow font and the shrink font. The grow font makes the text bigger, while the shrink font makes it smaller step by step. The change case button is used to change the format of letters, like turning text into lowercase, uppercase, or capitalizing each word. Next is clear formatting, which removes all styles like bold, color, font, and brings the text back to default. For basic formatting, we have the bold, which makes the text darker, and the italic, which slant the text, and underline, which adds a line under the text. We also have strike through, which puts a line in the middle of the text, usually used to show deleted or incorrect words. The subscript and the superscript are used for special text position. Subscript places small text below the line, like in H2O, while the superscript places it above the line, like in X squared. Next is the text effect, which adds design like shadow or glow to make the text more creative. The text highlight color is used to highlight text, similar to using a marker. And lastly, the font color, it changes the color of the text. Text formatting is important because it helps highlight key ideas, emphasize important words, and make the document easier to read and visually appealing.
Paragraph formatting. Paragraph formatting controls how a text is arranged within a paragraph. It includes alignment like left, center, right, or justified. It also has line spacing, indentation, and the use of bullets and numbering. Bullets creates a list using bullet points. Numbering creates a numbered list. Example 1, 2, 3, etc. Multi-level list creates a list with multiple levels. Example 1, 1.1, 1.2. Decrease or increase indent moves the paragraph closer or farther from the margin. Sort A to Z arranges text alphabetically or numerically. Show/hide paragraph marks displays hidden formatting symbols like spaces and paragraph breaks. Align right aligns text to the right margin. Center places text in the center. Align left aligns text to the left margin. Justify aligns text evenly on both left and right margins. Line spacing option. Spacing options controls the amount of space between lines of text and between paragraphs in a document. It also helps make the text easier to read and more organized. Shading adds background color to a paragraph or selected text. Borders adds borders or lines around text or paragraphs.
Insert tab. In Insert tab, it allows user to add different elements such as tables, pictures, shapes, icons, smart art, charts, headers, footers, and page number. In the table, you can organize data in rows and columns. Pictures, you can insert images.
Clip art inserts ready-made images or illustrations.
In shapes, you can add arrows, circles, and etc. In smart art, it is the diagrams you can use in making process or hierarchy. In charts, it can make graphs like bar or pie charts.
Hyperlink adds a clickable link to a website or a file.
Header and footer, text at the top or bottom of pages. The page number, it is automatic numbering. Using Insert tab, improve the content by adding visuals, organizing data, and providing additional information, making the document more informative and engaging.
Layout tools. Layout tools controls the overall page setup. Includes margin, orientation, paper size, columns, and page break. Margins are the spaces around the page. Orientations are like portrait and landscape, or in other words, vertical and horizontal. Size or paper size has an example of A4, letter, or short band paper. Columns are the split into columns like newspaper. Page break moves the content to the next page. Line numbers adds line numbers beside each line of text. Hyphenation automatically breaks words with hyphens on each side of the text. This ensures that the document is properly arranged, especially when printing, and helps meet the required formatting standards.
View tools include spelling and grammar check, word counts, comment, and track changes.
Editor checks your document for spelling, grammar, and writing style.
Spelling and grammar detects error. Word counts, count words, or characters.
Translate converts text into another language. Show comment displays comment added to the text. Track changes records all edits made in the document.
These tools help identify and correct error, improve the quality of writing, and allow multiple users to give feedback or collaborate on a document. File option includes saving, printing, and exporting documents to format like PDF. Save or save as, store your file. Export, convert to PDF. Print document. This ensures that your work is easily stored, easily shared, and accessible across different devices.
Next, we have Mail Merge, a powerful feature of Microsoft Word. Mail Merge is a tool used to generate multiple documents automatically, each containing unique information such as names, addresses, or numbers. These are Mail Merge features. First one, Main Document. This is the template file that contains the fixed content such as the format of letter or certificate. Example, a certificate or invitation format. Main document. It serves as the base design where variable information will be inserted. Siya yung base kung saan ilalagay yung mga details.
The source. This is the file that contains the list of information usually from Excel, such as names, addresses, or sections. It provides the specific details that will be placed into each document. Siya yung pinagkukunan ng data na ipapalit sa bawat document. Merge fields. Merge fields are the placeholders like name or address inserted into the main document.
Mail merge tools and process. Start mail merge. This allows you to choose the type of document, such as letters, labels, or envelopes. It sets the format of the output you want to create. So, dito po pinipili kung anong type ng document, such as letters, labels, etc. Next is select recipients. This connects your document to the data source, and it allows Word to make access of the list of names or details. So, dito po connect yung mga data source, like Excel.
Insert merge field. This inserts placeholder into the document. It shows where the personalized information will appear. Review result. This lets you check how the final documents will look. It helps identify errors before completing the process.
Finish and merge. This generates the final documents. It produces multiple personalized copies ready for printing or saving.
save time and effort, reduces repetitive work, ensures consistency, minimize typing errors. For creating bulk documents like invitations, certificates, and letters.
Lastly, we have the Microsoft PowerPoint. When we say Microsoft PowerPoint, it is a tool used to create slide-based presentations.
Slides. Slides are individual pages of a presentation where content is placed. You can add text, images, videos, and etc. They help organize information into parts, making it easier for the audience to follow the discussion.
Design and themes. These are pre-designed, layout, color scheme, and font combination. Ito yung mga ready-made na design, color, at font. These are make presentation visually consistent and more attractive without needing advanced design skills.
Next, insert tool. Dito ka naglalagay ng pictures, icons, smart art, charts, audio at video. Example, pictures, dito ka nag-add ng images, icons, simple graphics, smart art, diagram, charts, data visualization, video, multimedia. These elements enhance understanding by presenting information visually and interactively. Nakakatulong ito para mas maging engaging at mas madaling maintindihan yung topic.
Animations are effects applied to text or objects such as fade, zoom, or fly in. We control how elements appear to the slide, helping emphasize important points and maintain audience attention.
Transition. Transition are effect between slides such as fade or wipe. Create smooth movement from one slide to another, improving the overall flow of the presentation.
To summarize the entire lesson, Microsoft Word is used for creating and formatting documents.
Mail merge is used for automating multiple documents.
Microsoft PowerPoint is used for creating visual presentation, and these tools are essential because they improve productivity, accuracy, and communication skills in both academic and professional settings. And that's all for our discussion. Thank you for listening.